can find many of the season's hottest gifts, from designer fashions all the way to Labubu.
Yeah, you love a Labubu.
Oh, he does. But first, Dolly Parton's reassurance.
Hey, there he is.
What's up, Amy? How you doing?
Uh-oh, here comes trouble.
I'm Veronica.
I know who you are. You were always sticking it to the man.
You have no idea who we are, do you?
No, I thought I was coming into this building to get a mammogram. Turns out I'm hosting. Hooray!
Out in the wild where the tall trees grow, there's a legend that people know. A friendly Sasquatch, big and bold, with a heart of gold and stories untold. Cbreajs on the trail.
P.
Hey kids, Jimmy needs your help down by the lake.
It talks! Kill it!
No, wait,
It.
Jimmy,
Let's
Jimmy.
make a hat out of it!
Hold on, everybody take a deep breath.
Let's cook it and eat it.
They explode the world around them, creating a new story. Hey, you guys, yes, church and church, Tennessee is safe. Let the shine, let the way. We Kyrie and Jaden leading off. Learning things off a below, I turn into a letter with community crossover, Scott and so much more. Keep pushing forward, adventure with waves, let the shine be true.
SpongeBob's coming to video and DVD!
Yo ho, the sponge is in town.
With 10 episodes and there's something to see!
His body is yellow and his pants are brown.
If nautical tales make you get up and dance!
Jerry's a snail, not a hound.
You'll be splitting your sides, you'll be splitting your pants!
Yo ho, soaking wet, he weighs less than a pound.
Ahoy, mateys! SpongeBob's a-comin' for the first time on video and DVD! It's nautical nonsense and Sponge Buddies! See SpongeBob himself in all his jellyfish and crabby
Calling all parents. Kids will look to laugh and learn with all new Alpha Blocks and Wonder Blocks on BBC iPlayer. Yippee! Get them reading with the Alpha Blocks and problem solving with the Wonder Blocks. All in a safe space. Learning's always fun for your little ones. Watch now on BBC iPlayer. Calling all parents. Kids will look to laugh and learn with all new Alpha Blocks and Wonder Blocks on BBC iPlayer. Yippee! Get them reading with the Alpha Blocks.
When you play Monopoly at McDonald's and scan the game piece in the McDonald's app, you'll get a chance to win! But wait, there's more! There are digital game pieces when you order select items in the app. Monopoly at McDonald's is back. Get your bag! Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
Chex Party Mix. Mix up delicious holiday memories with
Snoopy, Charlie Brown,
and the rest of the gang. Sharing that holiday feeling with Chex never gets old.
On your week is back.
Statue of Liberty. Wait till you see giant objects.
Buy one get one half off.
What the?
Guys? Over here. Can we keep him?
Do you think we went too big?
Nope.
Do you remember where we parked?
Nope.
It's Tar-
Plasma Recent with Tony and Goyant are now available on Friends Sentinel Stories.
We are back, coming up on 7:39 now with an update on the recent health challenges that Dolly Parton has been dealing with.
And it's coming from the country music legend herself directly, speaking out in a new video to lay rumors to rest.
NBC's Chloe Melas is here with more on that. Hi, Chloe. So good to see Dolly's face.
I mean, she is a national treasure. Am I right? Like, such